Physics genius Albert Einstein directly refuted Newton's absolute time and proposed the theory of relativity in 1905, known as Einstein's miracle year for belonging solely to him. That year, Einstein published 5 Nobel-level papers on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the famous E=mc² equation. Of these, special relativity was the most groundbreaking, overturning Newton's worldview. Newton had long unified physics under the notion of absolute time identical throughout the universe regardless of when, where, or who you are. Time flows at the same rate for all. This seemed obvious, until Einstein disrupted this comforting conception of absolute time. His special relativity showed that if objects move relative to one another, time flows at different rates for them. I misunderstood this as a child, thinking everyone's clocks would run differently. But it's real physics, time itself flows at different rates, so people age differently too. Theoretically, if you move very fast, nearing the speed of light, your aging slows compared to someone at rest. This may explain the saying that life is motion. Such is the essence of Einstein's special relativity. By scientifically establishing the malleability of time, Einstein profoundly shaped modern thought. Where Newton sought absolute laws fixed for all, Einstein revealed a flexible cosmos adapted to each observer's motion. His relativity enriched physics by showing truths depend on our vantage point. He proved even time is not universally prescribed, but variable according to nature's grand relativity.